morning, business people. Today we're going to walk you through our setup and trial of a plantain sweet potato slicing machine. This is part of the pre-processing equipment you require in setting up your snack food factory. As you can see, the unit has 4 different size inlets on the top of the slicer. You can select the one most appropriate for the product you are handling. You can use water to soften or ease the passage of your product through these inlets depending on the texture of your product. In your standard factory production line, the sliced product that you are handling would fall from the machine directly into a perforated container, which can be directly transported to your frying machine or baking line. By utilizing a slicing machine, you can control the thickness of the products you are slicing for an even consistency. Our automatic fruit and vegetable slicer is easy to disassemble and clean as needed. All you need is a simple star screwdriver to release the blades. The thickness of your product slicing can also be easily adjusted by using these 2 switches. This simple and affordable equipment will take you one step closer to achieving more efficiency, hygiene, and cleanliness in your snack food production line. Contact us for more details at consult@panasia-tech.com.